Standard 10, let's continue with the program number 7. Write a program to accept a string as a sentence and display the new string after receiving the character of each word. And then we are entering New Delhi as a capital of India, and you can see the words are in its own position. Only the letters of the word has got reversed. So here we are taking util, and then this part I have taken in the other part of your book. It is present. It will be easy for me to explain you, so I wrote this in the last part of the program. So here the util method is there, since we are using util package. Since scanner is there, class, reverse character, main method, we have taken st1 and st2 as space because the final value is going to be stored there. Then int I and p as an integer variable, character ch, r and ch1 are the two character variable. Scanner object is made. Then system.out.print, enter a string. So this will be displayed on the screen. So like this it will be displayed on the screen, enter a string. The next st equal to st dot length next line. So we have in the st we have entered the string as New Delhi. Then after this you will include a statement. This statement st equal to st dot trim method. This is why if the user has not used any space before and after, so that will get deleted. After that, before and that will get cut out and or deleted. So then st equal to st dot space. So here one space is we have included. Now after that we have sure that before and after trim all the spaces are clean, so it has cut out. So then we are going to include a space, so that we can take it as a 9th character position. So this is the space we have taken. So why? Because to identify each of the word, the end of the space is identified as the end of the word. So we are taking a space so that the end of the word, there we can understand that Delhi is the last word. So by identifying the space. Then p is equal to st dot length. Length is 10. Since 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and the space is 10. Then you can see this is the for loop. I have made the margin, and this is the if loop. So let's continue. So here I is equal to 0. So I is 0. So it is the condition. So 0 is less than 10. So condition is true. So it will come here, character at I. So character at I 0 position, it is n. So character at I is n. So it is not a space, so it will not enter here. Here it will come. So st1. So let's take st1. So in st1, character plus space. So we will write the character plus space. So my character is n, chr. So again the I value is going to increase. So here it is. So I is now 1. So 1 is less than 10. Condition is true. So it will come to this part, character at I. So I is now 1 in one position, it is E. Now this instead of N it will be E, and it is not a space, it is E, not a space. So it will not enter this loop, it will come to this part. See, st equal to character plus s1. So s1 is my N. So now character plus s1. So it has become En. Now again I increases. So I is now 2. So 2 is less than 10. Condition true. Again it will enter here. So character at I. So I is W. So now instead of E it will become W. So W is not a space. So it will come to the st1. So st1 first character. So first W, then the st1. So EWEN it has become. So now again I value is increased to 3. So 3 is less than 10. Condition is true. It will enter here. now st character at I. So character in the 3 position, it is space. So it will come to this part. The condition is true, chr is space, so it will come to this part. So here it will create st2. So st2 is equal to st2 plus space plus st1. So already space is there, no problem. So we will write st1 give. So st1 is my wen. So now what is happening, st1 is equal to space. So now the previous st1, it is totally got cancelled, and it is st1 is again ready with a space. Now it will come here. Now I is 4. So 4 it will come, I is 4. So 4 is less than 10, condition true. So it will come to this part, character at I. So I is 4. So in the 4th position, it is D. So it is D now. So D, since D is not a space, it will come to this part. So you see we have cleaned it. So here now what will be, st1 will be D. So here now I is 5. So 5. So 5 is less than 10, condition is true. So it will come to this part, character at I. So I is 5. So in the 5th part, it is E. So E. So E is not a space, it will come here, character plus st1. So ed will be written in will be stored in st1. Now I is 6. So 6 is less than 10, condition is true. So it will come to this part, character at 6 position, it is L. So now it is L. So L is not a space, so it will come to this part. So here L, then E, then D. So now I is 7. So 7 is less than 10, condition is true. So character at I. So 7th position, it is H. So it is now H. So H is not a space, so it will come to this part. So it will become H, L, E, D. Now again it will come here. Now I is 8. So I is now 8. So 8 is less than 10, condition true. So it will come to this character at 8th position. So in my 8th position, what is there? I. So I is not a space, so it will come to this part. So characters, so it will be I, H, L, E, D. Now here it will come. Now I is 9. 9 is less than 10. I is 9 mine. So 9 is less than 10, condition true. So again it will come to this part, character at I. See, I, we have taken space, so I is space. Sorry, 9. So character at I, the 9th position, it is space. So we have taken space. So it will come to this part. See, character equal to space. Yes, condition true. It will come here. So st2 is equal to st2. So here st2 is there. Then a space. Then st1. So st1, it is I, H, E, D. You can see it has got reverse. Then it will come to this part. It will not go to the else part. It will come to this part. Now I is 10. So 10 is not less than 10. So condition is false. So it will come out of this for loop, and it will come to this output and st2, and it is going to display New Delhi in this manner. Thank you, class.